In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stop Windows 10 automatic updates permanently. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop Windows 10 automatic updates permanently, click on Search and then type Services. Right click on Services, click on Run as Administrator, scroll down. Here you will find Windows Updates. Right click on Windows Updates and click on Properties. Click on Stop Updates. Click on Disabled. Now click on Apply and then click OK. Close Services window. The second step, click on Start menu. Click on Settings. Then click on Network and Internet. And then click on your current network properties. Click on Set as Metered Connection. By default, it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now close settings. The third step, in search, type GPEdit. Now click on Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates. Then expand Windows Components. Now scroll down. Here you will find Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and then you will find here a policy settings, configure automatic updates. Right click on configure automatic update and click on edit. Here by default not configured is selected. Select enable and configure automatic updates, and by default number 3, auto download and notify for installation is selected. Just click here and select notify for download and auto install. Select it and now click on apply and then click OK. Close group policy editor. Now you need to restart your computer. Now click on power and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope Windows 10 automatic update is permanently stopped. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.